Etiwa can I say one of the most trending issues is the arrest of Kwame Abronye IGP chairman Abronye Dc. The issue is trending pa. Now Trouble Carlos, if you have Vim Lady, anyone my hand, I bet you want your no much say, and then when I air course no insult, never Ghana politics munina. I have found what Abronye. Yemfa sugo nyina nkobo Kevin Taylor. Say NDC for say IGP help will be able their any. Kevin Taylor yeah adwuma de IGP no party bar office no. That Kevin Taylor and a omo emblem no. Na Abronye de ono abeto ana oye bi. Omo abeka madwen ewo ho. Ayi Penyah block media. Mess one say need him. Obe like video no da ma go subscribe button so abeka click notification and latest update na beche de wadwen de ma ewo comment section. Best so baso no achieve for so enya bi ahwe. Eto nyanim on the 8th of September no ene kwache kwamba Abronye. Please for kwache no enumber omo aswe before then nobody can go read Moses abofie but enya no hasem na yeka. To mo kwache kwamba Abronye on the 8th of September 2025. Ni nyina ne se esi wakasa amana na kotia IGP no. Ema enu na eye 9 no omu de ne call Accra Circuit Court. Eho no ena omu aremande no. I say Abronye nsem nya se wakasa amana na kotia IGP or di IGP atem on constant occasions say okasa e the IGP ali eyutwi form je say oye IGP say Accra odoso no. Wo so IGP kasa no wo so ne pa odoso no ma bi kwa IGP dey demo. What I say on that issue is omu efas ekwache kwa be ba for Abronye. Now on this issue no and if you have Vim Lady, or my henny, any Trouble Carlos, almost or more and sing be a cow. Now, so Bono, young farmer Kevin Taylor, young blame Kevin Taylor, because honor and started this whole nonsense.
They've played us for too long a time. These two major political parties now in opposition. Oh, how was he, Kasa? So, and then he's trying to justify in a way. So, my pension, and it is true. Now one name Ghana and the NDC for binum kakai. Efana nado ne person. And a titumo MP one name. Worse things than what is happening even now. Worse. It will be perceived my United say Agrona ye dino. E unsu sansono. E nkwa Azerbaijano. Agrona ye dino. When we have power. Bibia yes. We cannot be criticized. If you are criticizing us, it means that you have been paid to do the criticism. No? Sagrono, when the scales turn, don't come and explain your side of the story to us again. No? So what let's go ahead to build that country. Let's go ahead, because for how long would politicians understand that we need to build a country where Yabema who coin ama yenye selective. Yabema who coin ebema kabino minkabino et majina brane. Yabema who coin ama manu nipane womuno. And who asitra mu ye no e what me hai. Nyoma here no we don't attach relevance to it too. And nyoma here Ghana no. And they be adam betinambeka is the mindset.
Yeah.
When you were in opposition, insults are part of the reasons why I made you more at this point. No, be no more kind of Ghana politicians. Ya him free that's what your money not temesi you. Ya Sophie, or what your money not temesi. And they were clapping. So, Abua Konkonti ba.
When you abaya punch.
When you ya punch any na ebe chichi yen na bako. Because what me catch yen see it has a yen adwuma yen agenda job na ye twa ya no politician twa no da continue page no promote to say yen twa more mini obisa yen koso e. That's why I keep reminding politicians today your power everything is right for you. If I were a minister o memo abeti so ye ka asem kra utwi fire to call echina ye beti all the privileges the fruits them you become as normal as a normal human being. Ube hu say ehise meko. That is why no matter what the catcher say, today you are using Accra Kumasi Road. You are calling in to complain about Accra Kumasi Road. Please give me a break there. Give me a break. That is the politician. The politician only listens to when he is in crisis. We don't have politician friends from NPP and DC. They have no idea here exists still. Let them fall in the deep gutters of the land and see the times that they will call it. That's a political friend. 1 a.m. na politician from say ja na I did the futu na me mankumu futu 2 a.m. no from when you even have a proposal for a minister
Brow be
bread to get his attention.
Oh, I busy.
That's the language but when the politician is in a mess 3 a.m. 2 a.m. 1 a.m. only so about 4 a.m. but no friend Please, let's build a Ghana that we all want. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. In fact, some of your appointees, I saw Pam do donors is here.
Too early.
Sana na do better no. Adia na fefe banana ye catches na chasu one chasu no. E fefe tra na e de nikodu some pepe show. One idea banners ye can is too early. It's all minister con oma ho nyina ansay. E say we na e from the president has said that his focus is to leave a legacy. That whenever the Ghana's democratic history is being read out, the second coming of John Mahama is not to do the usual things that this country has been doing. It's to do the unusual things that will put this country. Exactly my point.
NDC or NPP, because where NDC here or Mochichi Abronye. Me say NPP abase so almost make NDC go bebre. Say politics now Ghana near tit for tat politics. You do me, I do you politics. It's sad. On my Ghana be ye ni, on my way, a bit me ye. On my Ghana, a be ye. Into joining a champ professor Jobe ye first Jobe Nyamecha no so about be share because he's a former journalist, a university professor. I no ye a first advocate for rule of law and free speech. Because what you call American UK no me and come on but obiani one more shada so gamra bi atem aboa kwasea te say the Abrantie bi a so oti abrochi oye bi no aba oba bi no hu fi aba bi da de bia say it just sad crass insults in crassism crass and coof language. It's so sad. Meanwhile politician na who say we adwuma ma no ono ohia ni pakro na ono ne sere ohia ni pakro na ono ne sere. I know the number of NDC for to me, but I know my bedi atem. Mim papa we president Mahama, he was the chief monarch. Nanado chief monarch. One shot away ye probiamba. Mim papa we omo be jina mu ye no. NPP and NPP in Pennyfua can say President Mahama to a whole delegation. It's even catch a whole delegation and on be mim papa we 2012. And so beso come and we di atem of us on your champion attack. Oh yeah John. Oh yeah, John by far. Because crowd yes, obi anymore. And it's sad that we continuously project this on people. Obi yeah politics. Unia also unia o NDC. Penasem into bedinatem. Meanwhile, Ghana constitution has so bia of freedom. Or bia rights or join a party bia ope. One can say a binum to me join a party bia ope. One can say a binum wow yet tinting to me join a party ope. And now we are to me join the party. I say every Ghanaian, every citizen, or be all right for or joining their OPEC. Me see, baby, Abronye issue. And I'm telling them, I'm not a fan of Abronye. I've told you that the history of MPP say, what should MPP for Abakosemwa? Omo elite party into Abronye tactics, a complete deviation from MPP for Nanano Mochichiri party, said the Omotie. Because at the time, 92, 96, no. One of the things and judgments and many idea come about MPP and they say omo ya cratch for NDC for the omo ya keda for into NDC for the atem. So meanwhile no say I have to fra. You can't tell between NDC and MP because everybody is insulting. Everybody is insulting. And you can trust our chance MPP aba. NDC chinipa 10. MPP for bapa ombe chinipa 20. And the double standard now, prof, can want to boom, no send message, a moody prof at them no. Yet Ghana how, Obiti abroche, in fact, and you'll be Mkofobiti abroche, a bimuso to Ghana, or might be a temsa, Naros wa bro. The President Mahama, Chichin Kofo, Kakray, or Chichin Kofo. And mind you, to be fair to President Mahama, no noche, a IGP, police one etching. Just that the notion is there's a government of the day who now control the system, no, any apparatus, no. But any President Mahama chose to speak no chi, but I not by abreso. Na say a chichia. A Kufuado party at only 2016. Before Kufuado winning power, the issue NDC, big man, Neil and Vanderpoint. Also Kufuado a short man, one short man already a president. Short man already president, I want to be the president, by Kufuado be the president. A Kufuado ne 10 years, they didn't attempt or a Kodua Yakoso. Sa Baltic once you are talking to a cromut to a good word with him, so papa to one. Me, I've criticized the Kufuor more than a lot of people. They be a me praise President Mahama for more than into MPP for baby crying me concern me share them feel Kufuor, but I like him. I'm just a critic of his some style maybe. But the Kufuor they can't them the Kufuor papa. But on Chishin go on a mass he say bloggers actually on my way. But to be fair, their excesses need be a bloggers near 2 months. But you see, the Kotia IGP area you know say do not see a brochure diatem one carry. To the extent that to me the oba say e di natem oba yare enti serious condition ti ni womb yi otumi didi obi atem and the IGP mo ankoche abrantie ye di obi atem otumfo hwan ahef oche ne kra de no ye mmobo afi oche ne sebi buru sebi and predator man no shesubrans because o yin kese no oche ne o de wadi no wase no kwase a oche ni o ya nche no NDC mo nipa ni sa nipa kro no mo nkrofo no manchi obi is it the double standards me see yen support you obi me support blog because their bloggers here no without training, without decorum, without respect enye fine obi sorry as a podcast no di atem enye kama. But you see now no the executive justice assembly because MPP for enebo Charlotte say remove anti NDC ba won so mo so my chief justice ko enti today the NDC so wo ho no match mo ko for the MPP for tema fact mo kra de masa mo freedom so mo nko masa mo bodyguard masa mo baby papa tena endorsing and enabling because sometimes obi betimi ayade en onka ho on support but later the obey any dia dance say you have adopted the nipana yen and you support and you endorse it. Nini now. Obisi who mentioned name? I am body bio. A dibo for this platform. I can issues. Enti Amwa and Naomi. Oh, you can go and insult. Yeah, they are fine. I have me my cosco baby, my cosco do it. No, I won't do that. I go pompengu. Ain't na send you I make come say sebi brother as I said you manushe sunaso or chain as me. I will not be the one. You can always insult. Me pa na se mimi sura ye di matem over 20 something million means don't you can continue. O send a message in Naomi now so the atema kan you are allowed. Obi ensuro sometimes adema is not worth ye nkola. You started journalism in 20 years old, and they did 40 something. No. Some things are not. You're too pricey, too polished for insult. Forget it. On the issue, now me can say. Sometimes I bring your money other people no excesses no. Sabi yesu obi fum kuma, obi mfum da. Obi fum kuma, obi mfum da. Rich lie. I salute you. I take him why? I take him. And you know, and you say obi ye under NDC and MPP for no. Am I did you obi atam no obi answer obi nebo no? You don't come and repeat it.
Nanse mo Abronye be ye video bi be kan say onye save e wo Ghana. Emma presenter no kra bisa ne say na wonye save ne say obetu afiri ha da wo se wo tena ma awu. Na na ni nkyere mu de bebre e na NDC for tata no e na NDC for ni bi fa plan so munya no mu beku no e na che say ne nsam kan bebre. Na say nanse say mo be kaya election e ba wo Ghana. Papa bi e friend no Azoka NDC for chairman for ni bi eba bonten ebe make statement say ye afenyo marking say nko beto no wo ho no mo a kila tie no wanka se metwa ntro tie small kai.
What's up here? Almost afenyo marking abaha mi dona ka beto no ha ye be ye by election krom wallahi
anen say anko beku afenyo marking am yesa so e dai ato no so ababiem asem no kan ne tintin ne tie nyina no. Now, because of Sasa Mwese Suntina Abronye, Edeman who say, Adenti, and I yet to Maimu. Na a year, Penyah be, Etimiaba out, Abessan de big threat say, Ediamu bina IGP in Conquacheno, into IGP Nimiansa where Jimmy were you corrupt, Sebi Abronye Nekaye, and the Numa Semebaye, after this video so my YouTube channel no so and some no can fu one nyina beto aso any or to two bi di ma IGP ankasa nya asem ketwa na we say na eye CID form panyimfo ni bi ensa ka video no na ye sende eye Abronye ye send an invitation say omra no me chirechirem adekronti a wodi IGP atem adekronti o say IGP eye corrupt omra no me chirechirem no mo man invitation Abronye anko and no man lawyer a reply to them or reply no e kodru CID for department one man yes wo just wo mu hunu no pakro send a letter no oh Mr. Set die yenim no and no mo ye the forward come Mr. Set yes Mr. Set anka hwe the only replier omunya ye ne say mon kan kira sa boy ne say wonim asem we ye Abronye ne kan ye se wonim nesu ama nesu ye beche na de be ye no ye be dre na nkasa mo no ankasa hu say yes ena police so invite wa wontimi nkasa wonko so what you oh se na do kra na Ghana police invite no so woko enti Abronye hono de wanya de se mama me lawyer atro there be you need to go there with your lawyer. Whether they are wrong or they are right, you need to go there with your lawyer. But there be wanko any Ghana police jiga ene nyumuko ni fie. Anya sam kitu he me so se bi ma huru wo na bi ma sise no bi ma duro. Ei me hu kwam dem ju se bia terminator 16 eno mu ko ino Ghana. Sa Abronye no mu ko che no. Abronye eno mu na kwa akopie mu court. Abronye ye mo bo obeka se akola won kasa da. Ni hu se mobo na Abronye oh chale o ma che no as stand right now o mu kopie mu court no ene nanko o pebel o ma fama no o mu sa se omra Friday o mu na kwoseka mu de ne ko enti mu dodo na mu bisa na Abronye waye dai ena waye dai ni boni o ye no now you see double standards na ekoso o Ghana no eye enunti ena ye mampanyi na gender na ewo ni trimu no enye yida no. Now, I'm breaking it down and tell. Azoka, Papa Penyamu say, etimi ababontin, ababeka say, obeku afenyo maken. Yancheno. Yanyana shio, yancheno, yanyana she. Unless say, MPP phone be no so almost started demonstration, ye who the dance ana. And no crana metis ye say invite no. I don't know, see a quaquacheno, say ya to tuna no, there be. Yawaha ena Kevin Taylor edim panyumfo nyina atam edi obi atam wo Ghana wadi obi atam menim nipa wondi na atam wo Ghana oba Ghana wonya police protection ama sesei yasaso a return no court a whole lawyer e try say wodi na atam waka asam a etia no say the same way na Abronye aka asam a etia eye yohunu no the same thing. Ono so aka say eno kwanye lawyer mpo whole judge ama judge the sanction ato no so obedru ye no ya nchenu mpo watimi anya ho aba be follow ya akọ ami akọ akotwa asem ni mu aye no foolish case na obi so ameki the same statement similar statement to a head of police ono no de akọ akọche no. I do agree with what is going on, say yen channel, because say mrase obi do obi atem we say ni say ya. It is fine. The person need to be arrested. Was so called accountability. But say yen chibimo na yenye bimo dia. It doesn't work like that. And to say see pa mo person mo kire me say mo betime de Abronye akọ court. Akọ sentence no. Ebia 2 years, 5 years in prison, and as a betimi kramma no community order bi. Ewa bra yet Ghana Kevin Taylor do obi atam ama waba ama a whole nation are protecting no esa ma no back. Chale, and America no. I'm here just to let you know what is going on in Ghana. But at the end of the day, Adebi Ohone say, yeah, we need to talk about it. You understand? And you're very wrong. Very, 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 very wrong. Obi timi ba internet and so may you obi say. Yenka wase mo the moment obi be retaliate pe anansa na danfo be retaliate ni boom ono de enkonko che no why ragati so wo pese wo tie de akwa no kan ye Abronye okan no mu nsema yi ne kan nyina beto so after this video
ene mate se yesi NDC fo akwache Abronye amse se NDC fo we mu pa de de mama mu no amse de omuni ma ne se yenkwachi obi o enti no nan me sate yakwachi apalu ewuma just say ye hwe nkofo NDC fo betra power o machichi o mu say iska kura na ko mo chama individual bia pa bana ko obi anya kura ya chicha ko bia betima nya be say ayi 5000 na aye na to da bia na me foto Ghana police ni ade no ade bia mo kwachi obi na obi do bi ka afefa etuo se de mo kwa akon na wo ma we kura ye kwa akon antinka sa mo ahombobo we pa nka mo beye na se mu amaya ye timu no mu nkofo ye di ye tax pay ye tax etua mo ka no eno na ye ka tro se mu bibia bana se mu nkofo ni pa kura mo di tuo ba ni pa no to se ni pa no na kika na hu se police fo ni o NDC fo na ba power like ti ni mebu mo timi nyusu mo conscience ne pa na enko kire kura for de adanya wadidi remona acha yiku boss na say your friend say police IGP misiro na amemodi he me say better say be man kofo akasa chese nkofo di aje mbesi omumu ehutu ehu sare no wayi obi ade no wan kasa no wayi din kama ne nkasa ne mfiri ni mu enima bi ho a yaka ho asema ka mo ba ya mo betena konwa so mo hu ba bia mo fa ayi kura kutu ayi kura nhye mo hu kutu ko mo fa kura nhye mu 8 months madidi adi Ghana sika yedi Ghana sika tuam ka bra mo nya adwuma bia Mahama betena konwa so nya adwuma bia wo sa memmo ni nyina ne se okotena nchen no wonim se ye ba yanchichi we dia ene mo ka jeze wansua hwe papa no wansua hwe efiri saa tete memmo bi no bebu tantantan no na moti krom ha say Kevin Taylor timi di nkofo atem munya ye fere say Captain Smart mu no omunyina edidi akufo ado atem ati krom ha say na ye mo de na mo bogi so mo fire na honim enei mo ba betena power eba Kevin Taylor fra buchira bebedu Ghana ama omampanyina man shelter afa national security da bon ho ban akwa abane ade wo si ne de wo de mara bi ba say obi antimi nka na adwene enka se bi amfa ne ho ni just like that na kama go home obi a kama we ade ne ntipefo so to ebo dan be sa ba wo so ye kanya nsan amamuo na yebu no amamuo nya chichachichi o chi obi de kotuma eno no enti fuel so sisi ameno kase petrol sematu petrol sisi ameno kase light bill kura mo pese mo sa increase ni biu ti wachi nipa na kono na mamuo na wo chene kono efa duani mesi obi atable so wo chi nipa na wo kono ye yo no enti fuel ne so acha se enti water bill ne so de man kofo kra na mo de mo ba mo betena konwa so ne de o man sike tua moka na mo nkofo a wo se mo ye adwuma na buo mo no mabrabo dige no mo nwini nipa abrabo ho ba kokra nsem hunu nko a ne ma ho hia na de bia mo so le amoye na wo ye panyini na wade a wo ye yoko boss wo ye ho atumi nipa ko hye baabi na wo de ye fa se bay amani pa punishment se o metua bay 500 billion abra wankasa wo busuafo nyina ye to ma se sika no kra wunya edi tuni petriso na wo yesa ne ma boni we no bi ka che no se ne ma wo ye ne ma boni a then you say wo se di para ka set ya oti wo ba ko che no aba we na me anya me nwa che se o mampanyi Mahama ankasa no ono ankasa na mamu ankasa no wo hunu se o sinye no entina nkofo so yi wo me nim se ho na cheche mo se yiwe yo enkofo we yi mo ye panyini wo police wo ye panyini wo court wo ye panyini wo hinu wa Mahama nko na appoint na ba die me se wo ye incompetent me na be kasa asem na kire wo no na omo no unim the idea ya na omo de ba betena konwa so ne se enye se adwuma no nim na se bibi sa wo but wo adwuma se me ba betua nkofo bi ka. This is the reason why Ghana is say you saa adwene na wo mu tirim eno nti no yakasa kwachu bia hey mom yemfa you know no mo fa tuo ne ade ade kra hey yeah bo hey de akwakọ chiri pa no omba no mo omo de ne ba na hey de han conference hey ya nizi hey ya bo hey you ready amamu pa ni ya na mo de mutimi tu kwan ko abrochire na maba mutimi tu kwan ko aya mo hwa abrofo no de we mo si bu oman na Ghana fo ye kasam kyerem a motikrom ha aya na mo ho kra ye menwanwa na kaka na wiaka ai na we time na we chi mo de mo youth no kra na bi ma jimi amedweno kra man tiase obi aya de bone no da wo se na ye sa repeat o na wo youth no future ye de enema bone na ye kyerɛ sɛ enema bone be fro o man ni mo no obi aya de enye enti nne no ye san to aso so wo pese wo kyerɛ sɛ sa enema bone na ade kyɛn san to aso sa na wo ni sa ni pa no mo mi no wana na adwene ye adwuma de wo ye ne ho a wo se wo pese ade ni tuntwa no mo mi no wana na adwene we na ɛyɛ adwuma enti nyema ya ndisi mo ka kyerɛ ndisi o man panyine ne sɛ amamu na mo buru mo mfa ni tan no to nkyɛn anya sa mo mani begu ase kra kyɛn kane no mani begu ase asofo no mo ye do mo nyina no o ma wo sɛ mo amamu no nyɛ mate sɛ wo hu sɛ nyema wo ye ne nyɛ bato mo ntimi nka efisɛ nipa bebre ho mo mo sika ɛne nkɔfo mo bɛyɛ dede nyina mo hu sɛ nyema ɛkɔ ne nyɛ ɛno nti na ɛkɔto aba na mo nkɔfo ye bɔne mo ntimi nkyi wo mu aso obi koya na mache sa na ebu man amemo sa na ebu man wo fada wo tra konwa so na obi ye bone wo ba ye bone aseme me ba ne maka na che obi ba ye bone dia yen kwache ntum yen kanti wo ye de bu man ha wo ye maka ke kaman ma a kire nyame so mpa na me ye assemblies of god de be hwan ni masa mun jai sai hwehwe ni mo
Drive your mama, comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Okay.